And then that affects intimacy.
Right.
So,
Well, intimacy is so important. We know
vital.
that. And
Yes.
being angry or aggravated with one another can cause a distance there. But do you have people to come to you and one of them will say, I know it's my fault. I caused this.
I would love that,
It's
but
my
no.
fault.
Yeah, I
I've
would
not
say.
had that yet.
Yeah.
No, really?
Because you think about when they're in the midst of issues going on in a relationship, it's always the other person caused it or dealt with it or did. But the odd thing is after we go through and work with them over time, they start owning their part in the relationship
Right.
and their issues.
This is my last question.
No, sure.
And how do you erase the image of infidelity in that other person when the other person has committed infidelity? We got about a minute.
That's empathy.
Really?
Yes, because the same measure you measure is going to be measured back. And I look at salvation, it says that while I was yet still in sin, Jesus died for me. That was his unconditional love. So unconditional love and empathy are the keys that really help us to overcome anything that happens.
Multitudes.
Because we realize that, because love without empathy can be lust. And so with empathy and with compassion and with understanding and unconditional love, it allows you to overcome difficulties and adversity.
Are you saying forgiveness? In other words,
it's
a lot
pretty
of
important.
forgiveness.
Yeah,
Pretty
you have
important.
to. You have
You
to.
got to make sure when you forgive, it's more for you,
Yeah, it is.
and it releases
Yeah.
you. But then the other person
It
needs
is.
to make sure that they repent, and repent means turning
away.
completely away.
Absolutely.
So it has been my sincere pleasure to talk to
thank you,
both of you
guys.
guys and see.
Absolutely.
my
How can anyone get in touch with you?
They can go to our website, everything about the book, all the information about the book, and get connected with
Podcast.
us. Everything is at our website, richrelationshipsus.com.
Thank you. Thank you both. I so enjoyed
Oh,
it.
thank you.
We'll be right back. We're going to take a break. Stay with us. Well, welcome back. And you know what, Sandra? I so enjoyed that interview with Gil and Renee. I mean, they're very good, sweet, caring Christian people
Yes.
that really have a heart to help others. And, that's what our show is, I hope, all the time, Friends and Neighbors, is to help and to give some information that, sometimes things have to click. You say, oh, yeah, I see that now.
Yeah.
Where before, you didn't understand it, you didn't see it, you didn't know what to do, but now you do.
Yes.
I
It
mean,
is. It's really
I hope
nice.
that's what we're about.